Hey everybody, happy Friday, TGIF, right? Well, I've been having more technical difficulties here. I'll tell you, I am a non-IT person, and so trying to figure out all these video things sometimes makes my head spin. So I apologize that this is not being recorded in real time when I actually made the trades. I thought I was, but I wasn't because it wasn't picking up my voice, and I thought you'd like to hear what I'm talking about. So I'm going over the trades for the week. The first one that we're looking at here is the US Dollar CAD, and this is the one that was doing really, really well for me. As you can see, sold it way back here and then just followed it right down. So currently, it is below the baseline. Super trend is indicating down. Ash is down, and it is well below the BBPRC line. However, I did choose to close it because it was up 507 pips, and we're going into the weekend, and I just thought, okay, I'm not going to push my luck. Let's just close it. So just so you know, though, that is not the no-nonsense Forex way. With the no-nonsense Forex rules, I would have continued to follow this sucker down until it either crossed over the baseline or one of my exit indicators told me to get out. And currently I'm using the BBPRC and the Aussie candles as an exit indicator. So I was happy, though, to take those 507 pips and close. The next one was the Aussie CAD, and that was a similar one, only it was a buy situation. And same thing, everything was still indicating up. Our Heikin-Ashi candle was still white. Our super trend was green. The price was well beyond the baseline. Our Ash remained positive, and our BBPRC was above the line. But likewise, I figured I'm going to take my 129, 130 pips and go ahead and close it before the weekend, and I did. The next one was Euro Aussie. Let me pull that one up real quick. Okay, same kind of situation here. Everything was still pointing down. Our super trend was red, price was below the baseline, Ash was red, and our BBPRC was below. I did notice, though, that if you look, it does look like it was losing a little steam and starting to consolidate, and I had 177 pips profit, so I just banked them as well. And again, I'm not trying to confuse anybody. This is not the no-nonsense way. The no-nonsense way would have been to let them ride. But I just sometimes like to close things on a Friday because it just makes a nice, neater week the next week. Now, one of the trades that did not go my way was the Euro CAD. Let me bring that one over. Unfortunately, this one went against me and hit my stop loss. So that was actually minus 137 pips times 2 because I had 2 trades on there. But as you can see, all the signals were telling me to get out, except for my Heikin-Ashi candle. That was still white, but my BBPRC had definitely gone below the line. And the other indication was that it had closed below the baseline. So that was a definite get out of town trade. So if we look at the totals, let's just take a quick peek since I'm no longer in any trades. You can see, though, I had several trades this week. Some of them good, some of them bad, and I ended up with a total of $31. I know, $31. It seems like such a little amount for all that hard work and blood, sweat, and tears. But the reason the dollar amount is so low is because I'm working with a smaller trading account. I based my demo account on a total of $5,000 rather than the $10,000 or the $100,000 that is usually in demos. And by using a 2% money management tool, you can see that that creates very small lots, 0.03, 0.02, 0.04. So as a result, the resulting dollar amount is much lower than the pip amount. However, it's also much lower for our losses as well. Here was two things that hit the stop loss and were in the negative. So here's my 500 pip winner. It brought me $113. So not bad. And if I didn't have that, I'd probably be in the negative again this week. But anyway, there you have it.